I'm making a throw blanket for Christmas. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, SJ Lopez Designs. If you're new here, my name is Samantha and my channel is about crochet. Absolutely love crochet, and I figure you're here because you love crochet too. On my channel, I like to share some patterns with you. I like to share tips and tricks, and like today, I'm just gonna share a current project that I'm So within the last couple of days, the weather here has gotten really nasty. It's been rainy, the temperature dropped, and we're almost finished with October, and we're moving right along into the holiday season, and it's my favorite time to make things like blankets. So I have recently started making a big throw for Christmas. It's gonna be a Christmas gift for my daughter. It's a special request, and I just wanna share all of that with you. So here is what I'm working on. This yarn I went and got at Hobby Lobby. It's like a size 7 jumbo. It's really big, fat, and chunky yarn. It's really super soft. It's very comfy, cozy. I've got this Eternal Bliss in Ivory, and then I've also got Eternal Bliss in Sage, and then I also have Eternal Bliss in Olive, and these colors are beautiful together. My daughter is kind of into plants and greenery right now, and so she asked specifically for like green colors and neutral colors. But I got all of these at Hobby Lobby. I really don't shop at Hobby Lobby a whole lot, but they had the yarn that I wanted there. And also too, I am using a 30mm crochet hook. Biggest hook I've ever used, but it's perfect for this jumbo yarn that I've got. If you've never used with size 7 yarn or this 30mm crochet hook, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you get going, it's really like, it's not bad at all. I'm just crocheting single crochet. I started out with the foundation chain. I'm just single crocheting back and forth in the different rows, and I've been changing color at the ends here, and I actually am going to show you. I've been changing color or trading over to the same color of yarn at the ends. I have to cut the ends and then light them on fire just a little bit, so that's a little bit different. I've never lit anything on fire when I crocheted before, but I'll show you how I did that. Also too, I want to tell you guys what's so great about this yarn is, one, it is super soft, it is comfortable. Two, I'm making this throw for my daughter, and it works up super fast. Normally whenever I try to make a blanket, it takes months and months. I have done it, and I have gifted them to family and friends, but it seems to take forever, and so this works up really fast. I actually have different colors of yarn that I bought when I was at Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna make another throw blanket probably for my mother. She said fall colors would be good for her, so I've got some really beautiful like fall colors that I'm gonna crochet her a throw for Christmas as well. I really enjoy working with this yarn, and the single crochet is really just as easy as it gets to make any kind of project. Every once in a while I find that I don't have the patience for really long crochet projects, and so this one is so nice just because if I had hours and hours to work on this, I could literally get one throw done a day. So I've just been working on this off and on, and that's why it's taken me a few days to get through it. But if you need a quick like Christmas project that you want to make for family or friends, I 100% recommend you make a chunky throw blanket for them. They will love it, I promise, and you'll love making it just like I do. So I've gotten to my tail. This is when I need to connect it to my next skein of yarn. So I'm just cutting the very tip of the yarn that I'm working with, and then I'm gonna cut the very tip of the new skein right here. And then just pick one of those, and I'm just gonna burn the end of it right here just a little bit. on a little flame, and then you're literally just going to attach both ends together, and that heat kind of like melts it, like the bit on the inside, and you just want to apply pressure, and then you can't even tell that this was 2 different skeins of yarn, so it works really nice. And it saves you from going back and weaving in a bulky end. It saves you time, and it just looks better. If there is a downside to making a bulky throw blanket like this, it would be the number of skeins that you need to create the throw blanket, because they're really big, and there's actually, like in length, there's not a lot of yarn here. It says 28 yards is what you get. So you actually go through a skein very, very fast. However, at the end of it, you're gonna have a beautiful looking throw blanket to enjoy for the winter. I do 100% recommend though. Like, they're super fun, and I think the blanket is working out beautifully. Thank you for joining in with me today as I crochet this beautiful chunky throw blanket. If this is something that you enjoy, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, that way we can hang out again, and you can watch out for my next free tutorial, and we can just enjoy talking and sharing crochet projects together. Thanks guys.